Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing tension immediately. Loosen or take off the strings so the saddle sits free. Once done, extract bridge pins or unscrew the tailpiece to reveal the saddle slot. Make sure to keep hardware in a labeled container. Clean the slot with a soft brush so you can clearly see the saddle orientation and exact length and height. Measure and photograph the old saddle. This is why you can reproduce radius and height accurately later, and prevents guessing when fitting the new piece. You choose the replacement material first because it affects tone and wear. Bone or tusk are common. Once selected, cut the saddle blank slightly over size. Then file the base and sides with a needle file and sand with a block, checking fit frequently in the slot so you avoid binding. After you establish a good fit, shape the top to match the string radius and set it a touch higher than target. It's safer to lower later. Make sure the saddle sits flush with no rocking. That secures stable action and intonation. You install the shaped saddle into the slot, restring and bring strings to pitch, then check action and nut clearance at the 12th fret. This confirms basic setup. Once tuned, fine-tune action by sanding tiny amounts off the saddle base, lowering incrementally until you hit the desired string height and intonation. If you encounter buzzing or bad intonation, reseat the saddle and inspect the slot for debris or unevenness. If problems persist, try the other material type, because density changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.